Hey folks, today we're going to show you a great economical hotel if you're going to cruise out of the Port Canaveral. This is a extended stay America Premier Suite, and what makes it Premier is we're going to show you here in just a second. Some of the unique upgraded things that you wouldn't see in a normal extended stay. That's why we picked this hotel. We'll show you here in a minute what we paid for this hotel. The lobby, as you can see, is right behind me. The main entrance is like halfway down the building. We slept pretty good last night. I think it's worth the stay. I'll check with Marcy, we'll get her take on it, and we'll go from there. On the other side of the lobby is a little picnic area, a little smoking section there if you're a smoker. They do allow pets here. You'd have to check with them to see how much the pet fee is. Okay, so we are in room 330. Let's go ahead and check it out. Got a kitchen here. Bathroom is to the right, just like a typical hotel. Got like a 50-inch TV, little work desk here with a chair. Nice comfortable bed. We slept really good in this bed last night. And AC unit and everything you can control. We had to turn the AC down. It's a little warm. You got a nice little recliner here. Hadn't had a chance to see how that fits yet, but it's all right. Got a little area here. We pulled out the luggage rack to set our luggage open on it. Yeah, a little bit of a mess there. Comes with an iron, plenty of closet space, and we really like this. No curtains, but you have a blackout blind thing here. So, and then you open it up, and then you get a view of the parking lot and the other hotel. And there's the interstate that we're going to be on heading toward our cruise here. Plenty of restaurants nearby. We went by Cracker Barrel for breakfast because the breakfast downstairs is muffins and such. It is a dog-friendly hotel. I'm not sure what they charge for a pet fee. Plenty of parking. Like I said, we were here last night and slept pretty good. As you walk into the bathroom, you got a nice little hook here to hang towels on and stuff like that. Got a nice mirror and nice sink. All of it's modern. And a walk-in shower here. And haven't had our shower yet this morning. We're gonna try that out, but I'm sure it'll be fine. And so that's the restroom. Here in the kitchen here, you have a full-size fridge, microwave, stovetop. You got plenty of cabinets, a sink. You can live here, and that's kind of what it is for short-term, stays. And Marcy said they bring you back the 90s with the track lights, which she likes. We are about to check out. We'll show you in just a second what we paid. Check-in was pretty smooth. Once we got checked in, everything was smooth, and then we came on upstairs to the 3rd floor, walked into our room, and it was impressive.
I don't know if impressive was the word I'd use. It was clean. It was nicely set up. Bed was pretty comfortable. Of course, I'm spoiled. It had a lot of room, has a desk, has plenty of room for your luggage, and they will give you a dishes and pans package if you ask for it.
And a coffee maker. But they have coffee downstairs in the morning, and they have snacks in there. But as far as the room, the shower has
great
water pressure, and we love water pressure. That was really good. The only thing we both agreed on that we didn't like was the floor was really sticky for some reason.
Yeah, you hear yourself walk across it.
There's no carpet. I slept good, the bed was comfortable. Then we're about to check out. Here's the price that we paid. And so that's gonna wrap it up. We're gonna go jump on a cruise ship, but we're gonna show you a good hotel to stay at if you're going out of the Miami port. That's gonna pop up here in just a second. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and we'll see you on the next one.